The 2025 ISA Automation Summit and Expo is coming to Disney's Coronado Springs Resort in Lake Buena Vista, Florida. It's the automation event of the year, with unparalleled access to the latest trends and insights in digital transformation and cybersecurity. ISA is the leading professional society for automation, and this event gives you a chance to network with like-minded peers, develop professionally with our career skills track, and even get world-class training on industrial automation and cybersecurity. And in 2025, we are expanding our expo. Working in partnership with the ISA Tampa Bay section, the Automation Summit and Expo will feature more than 60 vendors offering the latest technologies. Book your conference stay for an enchanting and memorable experience at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. Join us at our Honors and Awards Gala inside Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park into the world of Avatar. For only $225, enjoy a special awards presentation, private access to 2 thrilling rides, and food and drinks amidst one of Disney's most immersive worlds. Looking for post-conference activities? Extend your stay and enjoy discounted park tickets for fun with the whole family. Mark your calendar for October 5th through 7th, 2025, and join us for the Automation Event of the Year. Visit ase.isa.org to get the latest conference details. See you in Lake Buena Vista, Florida.